Hey guys, this is Mike, and this is Omo Challenge. I've never done anything like this before, and I don't know how people are gonna take to it, but I'm hoping some people are going to actually rise to the challenge. So this is a programming challenge for you guys. Um, I want to first start off by saying there's no physical prizes. I'm not gonna give anything away, so you really have no motivation to do any of this, except to prove your worth. I'm just kidding. If you enjoy programming, if you like programming games, then take this as a sort of fun challenge. If you want to try it. So at the end of the Omo development part 8, the final part, at the end of that video, I mentioned creating your own game modes. You can make any changes you want. So this is my challenge to you guys, to create that game mode that I suggested. So I'm going to make an outline of what the basic game mode is. You can take liberties with it, change it up however you want, but the core game mechanic should be like this. So you have your grid, it can be any size you want, doesn't matter. You can even have difficulties to change the grid size. So when the game starts up, all of the tiles should be lit up. And as time goes by, some of the tiles are going to dim out. They're not going to be lit up anymore. So let's say after half a second, 2 of the tiles are no longer lit up. What you have to do is you have to quickly tap on those to light them back up. And you have to be careful not to tap on the tiles that are already lit up, otherwise you'll get those wrong and you'll get a score penalty. So it's up to you to make the score system, but here's my suggestion. You can have like a combo multiplier. So for every tile that's lit up, when it first starts up, there are 12 tiles here, so you get 12 times however many points, 12x score per tile. But then over time, some of the tiles are going to be blacked out, and in this case, you'll only have a 10x multiplier if 2 of them are blacked out, and you have to quickly tap those to light them back up to get back to the 12x multiplier. And that's going to be the game, and every time you get a tile wrong, you get minus points. I don't know, that's up to you to decide how many points to reduce. And that's also up to you to decide whether or not they count as part of the combo, or if that's the penalty, or whatever. So that's up to you. This is the skeleton for the game mode type that I'm challenging you guys to make. So you can create this in its own play state. So you have... No, not the play state. I already made that. You can create another play state 2 or whatever, and have a button from the menu that goes to here, and try to create this game. So, this game mode, this is a challenge for everybody. So, I'm not expecting anyone to do this, really, but, well, no, that's kind of an insult. Maybe some people are going to do it. So, when you finish it, you could post a video. I don't know if you can still post video replies to other videos on YouTube. I don't know, but just put it in the comments, put in a link, and put a link to your video or something, or you can show your source code if you're comfortable with that, since you made it. I know some people are not comfortable sharing code that they've made, but yeah, so this is my challenge to you guys. Let's see if you can make this.